Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's scroll down a little and as you can see here we've got the screen timeout option, so let's tap. Here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Right now we've got 10 minutes applied and you can set it by this mark. So if the option is marked, then it is applied. In order to change the time, simply tap on the option you want to use, for example 2 minutes. So let's tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to the display settings, but here we've got the information that we successfully changed the screen timeout, because from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.